Drop.
What are you doing, people?
Okay. Go.
This is Team Easy Landing, in we choose to announce a parachute in the multi-channel. The title of video is Space Ranger. This special feature of drag devices are long string, increased surface area, more point, and more monofield string. Complete ones improved material. This long string feature was important because the first parachute was small. The increased surface area feature was important because we want to see the effect of biggest parachute to make it go slow. The more point of contact feature important because 5 point wasn't enough. For the bigger parachute, you need more string, more point contact. The monofield string feature was important because the kite string was tangled. The complex harness feature was important because it keeps string from tangling. And the improved material feature was important because the plastic material was too weak. Based on our test result, design of parachute number 1 and number 2, the best designing derivation device number 2, we using more string. It gives us the slow drop time and none of string broke, and there was no damage of the cargo. As you see from this photo of the design parachute number 1 and number 2, surface area. Design number 2 is large. This large parachute increases overall mass of a deceleration device. However, we are able to compensate or adjust for this by removing some mass from a cargo bay. Because of this increased surface area of the parachute, additional string be added on the device. When we designed our first parachute, we used a 5 point because that was the number of minimum point that we were instructed to use. On this second parachute, we want to draw more surface area as well, point of the contact. We were hoping for the smooth flight of the parachutes. Along with smooth flight, we also hope that increased surface area will give the longest drop time, which will give us the slow drop speed. After testing the first parachute design, we want to test another design with long string, more string, and bigger parachutes. The long string helps make the parachute bigger in flight. The increased number of the string helps make the parachute stronger. The change of the kite string, the monofilament fish line help the parachute be strong. The increase of surface area parachute help reduce the parachute's second drop speed. The change of the material from plastic to white material help to increase the surface area. As you see from this display board, our results were following. Our first design parachute of the average of speed was 1.367 per hour. Our parachute string broke. The average of time was 1.99. The average of speed was 204 centimeters. This is design number 1 and design number 2. Design number 2 was improved. We used different material for our second parachute. We had a white material. We used a strong string, so there was no damage. Design number 2 was our best design because it gave us the lowest drop speed, which will resolve all this damage to the cargo capsule. Based on the result, both design parachutes, we could advise of this engine NASA to increase the surface area of the parachutes as large as possible, as also to keep up the string from tangling stiff, and line is better than flexible, and line is harnessed to tight lower string together is perfect.